Singapore is a densely populated island city-state just south of Malaysia and just north of the equator. Because of its location, it is always hot and humid and it rains a lot, especially from November to February. The population is largely Chinese with large minorities of Malays and Indians and a very large foreign worker population. Everybody speaks English, one of the 4 official languages. From a poor and sleepy backwater in 1965, when it gained independence, it has grown to become one of the wealthiest countries in the world. It is also one of the safest countries in the world. In the past, there was a free city tour by bus from the airport, but it stopped during COVID. You could also buy a pass on the hop-on, hop-off bus, but it costs over $50. I think the best and cheapest way to see this small country is by buying a one-day tourist pass for $10, with a refundable $10 deposit. The pass is good on all public transport, the metro, buses as well as light rail. Free maps of the metro and other transport are available everywhere. Free city maps are also widely available. Maps also point out the important sites. I would start in Chinatown. Grab a good Chinese breakfast from one of the many restaurants. Then explore the shops and temples. Next head to Little India. Walk the streets past colorful shops and restaurants. Next head to the Central Business District. Walk along the river, crossing the historic Iron Bridge and end up at scenic Quay for lunch by the river. Next, take the train or walk to the Esplanade Mall and Park to see some of Singapore's historic markers and catch a good view of the Merlion across the water and without the crowds. You can catch great views of the Marina Bay Sands Resort and even cross over the walking bridge to get there. It's worth coming back after dark for the spectacular view. Head to the gardens by the bay and stay until dark for the spectacular light show. Walk or take the train to the Singapore Flyer, a large Ferris wheel, like the London Eye, to catch even more spectacular views of the city. Finally, head to Orchard Road, the high-end shopping district, and window shop at the beautiful malls. Not my thing, but if you like touristy stuff, you may want to visit Sentosa. Before leaving, don't forget to try the awesome street food at one of many hawker centers. Take a walk after dark, before you head back to the airport for your onward flight.